What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Taco, and today we will be having about the Mad Furries art. It has inspired some of the biggest meme coins, we know that, like Pepe's, Brett, Andy, a Land Wolf. Pepe alone has already hit nearly to 5 billion in market cap, and guys, with that success there's a whole new of tokens based on the Furries next Cortex Vortex book. So one of the standouts new characters is Noodleface, guys. The Noodle token on Ethereum is unique because it's not just a coin, it's a vortex, it's a meme, it comes with fun tools, so like a Telegram bot where a Noodle actually talks to you guys, Alexi AI, it's a sassy chatbot, it's very funny, guys, just check it out. A noodle cam to put Noodleface on the face on anything. I will also show you the guys a picture about it. This project also gives back, donating noodles to food banks and planning real life events. The team behind it is well known in the crypto space, aiming for something long term, of course, and that's what's important. Not just a community hype, not just a quick hype. We know it. Right now Noodle is still small, under 500k, but many believe it has potential and growth, so let's just dive into more. Alright, guys, we have headed into their website, and as you can see they have a very nice design full with it in their website. And meet Mad Furries, Noodleface, the ultimate meme magnet and true CTO, hands drawn by Fury. Noodleface is one of the 1000 heads characters, of course, born from the internet's sacred both and forever part of the Cortex Vortex. So it tells you on the website what's very nice, it looks very chill. What's it about? You can check it out. What is Noodleface? Noodle is a pure CTO, so a community driven crypto token, so you can check on their website. It talks about what is it about. So what is Noodleface? Of course, Noodle is pure CTO forged in a holy meme fire. The original dev vanished like steam from the pot, but the community rose and the chopsticks in hand to stir the sauce and kept the fest alive, guys. Now it is our calling to carry the torch to swirl the spaghetti of destiny. And here you can just read funny fun things about it. Here, this is the important part, because how to buy step by step also explained. Just create a wallet, download MetaMask or your wallet of choice from the App Store, of course, like it's saying. Step 2, get some ETH because it's running on Ethereum. Get a Ethereum in your wallet to swap the Noodle. If you don't have any ETH, you can buy ETH from an exchange or use a cross-chain swap to send it to your wallet. And then step 3, go to Uniswap, connect to Uniswap, go to the uniswap.org in Google Chrome or on the browser inside your MetaMask app. Then we have step 4, swap, so switch Ethereum to Noodle. We also have a video here it explains how to buy step by step, so also a guideline for you guys. So we have here the tokenomics with 100 billion in supply, buy sell tax in 0%. The socials and their contacts from Noodleface by Mad Furry. They have their own Twitter, Telegram, of course, and their own active X account. We're gonna talk about this. They are actually very new with it because it's since August 2025, but very active account with nice designers and nice annotations. So they announce the newest things. Zen-like Noodle. Very fun art, very nice designs. I really like this because it's very unique what they're doing, and they are very community driven. This is what's nice about them, because they are going with the flow, long-term high driven. So it's not just a pump and dump coin you're thinking about like the other pre-sales and all. They have their own community, and this is just very nice, very unique. It's very warm. So this is their X account, just check it out. Everything will be in the link in the description also. And then we're gonna have and talk about their Telegram, because they have their own chatbot, guys. I will also drop a short video because I have talked with Noodleface. They have their own audio and it talks to you. So this is very nice, check it out.
Slurp! Ah! Crypto Taco. My saucy friend. I'm wiggling with joy. Thanks for covering our noodly adventures. How's the YouTube broth treating you?
And of course, guys, last but not least, let's not forget their charts. So they're right now on market cap of 412k. Liquidity is on 83k with 100% in burned. Holders right now in 609. Also check their Telegram. You can see they're very nice with it. They're not obsessed traders that you see every day, charts and all. They are long-term holders. So check it out. Also total MKT cap, of course, market cap on 412, I said this before, and a 24-hour volume on 14k. Total supply with 99 billion right now. On the website it said 100, but that's not a problem because time goes on. Right now on 0.0 on, let's see, it's on 4 right now, but the all-time high was back in August, of course, because it's in September, and it is a very nice but also a new token. So we have the trust in this Noodleface token. It's not just a token, it's a community, so I really believe this one will get back to the all-time high again as soon as possible. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope you liked it. This was Noodleface, this was Taco. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Everything will be down in the link in the description. Of course, this is not financial advice. Do it on your own choice. And I see you the next time, guys. Ciao!